12th January, National Youth Day, Swami Vivekananda birth anniversary. 26th January, Republic Day of India. 23rd March, Martyrs Day of India, remembering Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. 14th April, World Knowledge Day, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar birth anniversary. 7th May, Rabindranath Tagore birth anniversary. 15th August, Independence Day of India. 26th August, Mother Teresa birth anniversary. 5th September, Teachers Day, Sarvepalli Radhakrishna birth anniversary. 2nd October, Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri birth anniversary. 15th October, World Students Day, APJ Abdul Kalam birth anniversary. 17th October, Sir Syed Day, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan birth anniversary. 22nd October, Ashfaqullah Khan birth anniversary. 31st October, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel birth anniversary. 9th November, Urdu Day, Muhammad Iqbal birth anniversary. 10th November, Tipu Sultan birth anniversary. 11th November, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad birth anniversary. 14th November, Children's Day, Chacha Nehru birth anniversary. 3rd December, Dr. Rajendra Prasad birth anniversary.